Welcome to Wheelsplorer, your trusted destination for in-depth automotive insights, global car features, and detailed vehicle reviews. Today we are exploring one of the most iconic names in the world of luxury sedans, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Renowned for its blend of elegance, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched comfort, the 2025 S-Class continues to set the benchmark for full-size luxury cars. The exterior design of the 2025 S-Class maintains its regal and commanding presence while embracing modern styling cues that reflect the brand's ongoing evolution. Smooth flowing lines, a refined silhouette, and subtle chrome accents contribute to a sophisticated look. The updated front fascia features a sleek grille with a new mesh pattern, flanked by ultra-slim digital light LED headlights that not only enhance aesthetics but also provide intelligent adaptive illumination. The rear end is gracefully sculpted, with elegant tail lights connected by a chrome strip, adding to its premium look. A choice of 19 to 21-inch alloy wheels, depending on the variant, further enhances the bold yet elegant stance of the vehicle. Under the hood, the 2025 S-Class offers multiple powertrain options tailored to suit both performance and efficiency-minded drivers. The S500 variant is powered by a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine with EQ Boost mild hybrid technology, producing around 429 horsepower. The S580 steps up with a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, also equipped with EQ Boost, delivering about 496 horsepower. Both engines are paired with a smooth shifting 9G-tronic automatic transmission and come with the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system for improved traction and stability. Inside the cabin, the S-Class remains a sanctuary of luxury and innovation. High-grade materials such as Nappa leather, open-pore wood, and brushed aluminum create a serene atmosphere. The centerpiece of the interior is the second-generation MBUX infotainment system, which includes a massive 12.8-inch OLED touchscreen integrated vertically into the dashboard. The instrument cluster is fully digital with a 3D display effect, enhancing the futuristic feel of the cockpit. A head-up display with augmented reality navigation and advanced voice control adds to the tech-rich experience. Rear seat passengers are treated to first-class comfort with available executive rear seat package that includes ventilated and massaging seats, rear entertainment screens, folding tables, and a full-length center console. Ambient lighting with up to 64 color choices, an advanced Burmester 4D surround sound system, and active fragrance distribution elevate the sense of opulence throughout the cabin. Cabin noise is almost completely muted thanks to advanced insulation and active noise cancellation, allowing passengers to enjoy the journey in total tranquility. Safety and driver assistance remain key highlights of the 2025 S-Class. Mercedes-Benz continues to push boundaries with advanced features including adaptive cruise control with route-based speed adjustment, active lane keeping assist, emergency steering assist, traffic sign recognition, and automatic emergency braking. The vehicle also includes Level 2 autonomous driving capabilities for highway driving and an optional Level 3 drive pilot in select regions, which allows hands-free driving under specific conditions. Surround view cameras, active parking assist, and a new airbag system for rear passengers reflect the brand's commitment to safety and innovation. Ride quality is unmatched thanks to the Airmatic air suspension system, which adapts to road conditions in real time to ensure a smooth and composed ride. Optional e-active body control further enhances the experience by reducing body roll and improving comfort during cornering or rough road conditions. Rear axle steering is also available, making the large sedan surprisingly agile in tight urban environments. In every aspect, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class continues to redefine what a luxury sedan can be. It is more than just transportation, It is a showcase of engineering excellence, technological mastery, and pure luxury. Whether you are being driven or taking the wheel yourself, the S-Class offers a premium experience that is unmatched in its segment. If you enjoyed this detailed overview of the 2025 Mercedes S-Class, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wheelsplorer. We bring you expert insights, reviews, and features on the most exciting vehicles around the world. Stay tuned for more and keep exploring the road with us.